Hello friends, in this video I will show you iPhone hidden calculator setting. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open iPhone settings, click here. Click here keyboard. Then turn on this setting, show math result. So now I open Notes app and enter any calculation like this. You will see the result instantly without opening the calculator app. This also work in apps like Message, Notes and Spotlight Search. So you can quickly do simple calculation whenever you need them without using the calculator app. So friends, this setting is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.